Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019, this is a Northwood Fox Mountain 255 RKS. We're proud to sell the Northwood products. We have this and Arctic Fox both, and the campers and the Desert Fox. This is a great product, built here in Oregon up in La Grande. Let's go inside and take a look at the interior real quick. Notice it's got the spring-loaded door, stays open on its own. Nice grab handle to enter. It's a rear kitchen which gives you a lot of counter space. It's got solid counter surfaces. One pull-out faucet. Spot here to put your trash, and it just comes right out here. It's got a lot of drawers in it, silverware. And then drawers underneath here, big enough for pots and pans. Nice gas oven, grill top stove, 3-burner, hood vent combo, microwave oven, the nice oversized refrigerator freezer by Norcold with adjustable temperature. It's got plenty of cabinet space. More cabinets up here and above the refrigerator. The dream dinette that just, you pull a lever, push it down, remove the cushions of course, and it makes into a nice sleeper. And then just simply locks back into place. Storage above your dinette, all LED lighting, air conditioning, a ceiling fan, 2 nice recliners here. Comes equipped with a Junction TV, DVD, AM, FM stereo. More pantry space right here. With some more drawers. Just has a lot of storage in it. This is a wardrobe. Then we'll step up into the bath area. You've got more storage as you come up your hall right here, which is, can't have too much storage in one of these. Nice sized bathroom with a pass-through into the master suite. Porcelain toilet. Nice shower. Good sized shower. Lighted vanity. And then this is a full-length queen bed. Has windows on both sides for cross ventilation. It's wired for a second TV up here. It's got a fantastic fan. Reading lights. Your fantastic fan is remote controlled, rain sensor. You've got a docking station for your cell phone, and over on each side, plug-ins on each side of the bed. This is a great coach. Not real heavy, and some of your half-ton, newer model half-ton trucks would tow this. Does have a full electric awning, exterior speakers. By the way, this is equipped, we order all of our Fox Mountains with dual pane windows. Goodyear tires that are actually built in America. Nice storage bay. Passes all the way through. Place for 2 batteries. Rotoflex hitch pin. Your propane cylinders are both located together. They're the larger propanes tanks. Your second entry point for your bay storage. And you have your docking station right here. Which has your battery disconnect, your hot and cold running shower, your black water flush, and all your hookups. Has a LED light down here, so if you get where you're going a little late or want to leave a little early, you have plenty of light. I'm going to have you step by this way and then open that up. You've got additional storage there, and it goes way up high, so it gives you plenty of room for something with some length to it. Does have the electric stabilizers, and they're the heavy-duty stabilizers. All LED lights on the exterior, rack to access your roof. Very, very well insulated coach. It's built to be 4 seasons ready. Also has an engineered frame that is not a mass-produced frame. It's built by Northwood. Their frames are some of the strongest in the industry. Folks, once again, my name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Love to talk to you about this and our other units that we have in inventory. Thank you for your time.